nice that you don't walk right into the living room. Kind of gives you a chance to create a little entrance, and that doesn't take up a chunk of your living room. You've got 2 bedrooms all the way in front and then 2 bedrooms over here all the way in back. All of the bedrooms in this apartment have closets. They all fit queen size beds. The kitchen's kind of small. Keep in mind, this apartment's probably going to get rented to roommates. It does have a wine cooler and a dishwasher, and you've got this little outdoor space. It's not the biggest space out there, but if you want to grill, you could have 2 chairs out there, just a place to hang out. Plus, there's some great sunlight coming from on top of the stairs. You've got 2 full bathrooms. One of them has laundry in it, like we saw in the beginning. Then again, like I said, you have 2 bedrooms in the front. This works out to just under $2,000 per room if you split it between 4 roommates. You've got exposed brick, and again, while that outdoor space is not massive, it's really, really important for this apartment to have it, because if you want to go for a walk for some fresh air, you've got to go down 5 flights. So at least you have that option. We're in Hell's Kitchen today, so this is a pretty great location.